What are you watching this week? Today I'm going to discuss one ticker to be on the lookout for this week. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you're notified whenever I post. Also check the description for some valuable resources. Today I'm going to talk about one ticker that has an A+ setup for us to start out the new year. Last week I alerted Visa and EXPE and both of those tickers hit, so let's see how this one's going to do for us this week. I'm looking at ticker UNP. As you can see by looking at the squeeze histogram, it has a 20-dot squeeze. The EMAs are stacked positive. So when I say it's stacked positive, that means the smaller EMAs are on top of the larger EMAs. The 8 is above the 21 is above the 34, and so on. Looking at the squeeze histogram, you can see that there has been a shift in momentum while it has been in a period of consolidation. So we see that these yellow histogram bars have now shifted to a light blue histogram bar. And this indicates that selling momentum is drying up and buying momentum is starting to increase. The TTM wave is above the zero line. You see that by these oscillator bars pointing upward. That's another bullish indicator. Another thing that confirms me being bullish on this ticker is these little green bars that come with the Squeeze Pro. These are your early in warnings. So I have a black dot right here. This lets me know that the move is about to happen. It is also worth noting that the ticker fired long on the 4-hour time frame and also the 1-hour time frame. That further confirms my bullish standpoint on this ticker. I always like to confirm with the larger time frame to make sure everything aligns. Looking at the weekly time frame for UNP, it does appear to be bullish. The EMAs are stacked. You have the TTM wave histogram above the zero line and pointing upward. You have the TTM wave pointed upward. So again, these are some of the reasons that I am interested in going long in this ticker. To recap everything I've just covered in this video, I'm interested in ticker UNP. It has a daily squeeze of 21 dots. The EMAs are stacked positive. It already fired long on the smaller time frames, which lead me to think that it will fire long on the larger time frame. The weekly time frame confirms a bullish move. I have a early entry warning on the daily time frame. With all of those, I can deduce that if these conditions hold, that UNP is likely to fire long. With this information, I can do one of two things to approach this trade. One, I can grab a contract while it is still in the squeeze and wait for the squeeze to fire, or I can wait for the squeeze to fire and then grab a contract. Either way, this is a ticker I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to be looking for a position at least 30 days out. Ideally, we would want a pullback, maybe a pullback to the 21 before we enter, but if that doesn't occur, I'll still be looking to enter on any kind of pullback that I see. Remember, this is for informational purposes only and not a recommendation for you to buy. This is just what I plan to be doing. I also understand that you may not trade the same way I do and other people may trade this indicator differently. I'm just sharing what I do and what works for me. I'm not saying this is the only way to trade the TTM Squeeze. This is just how I use it. I will update you all later this week to let you know how it goes, if I enter the position and how it went. So make sure you check back. If you want to see how I made $10,800 on one trade using this same strategy, check out my video titled $10,800 Profits on DraftKings. It's posted in the description. Also, if you're looking for an active trading community with high quality alerts, check out my Discord server. That's also linked in the description. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.